Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are back in the car again today, heading to the Keystone TCA Show, or meet in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The Keystone TCA division is kind of encompassed by the Eastern TCA division. So on. And so they do a meet at a center here in Lancaster County a couple times a year. And so I've been invited to come out a little early to get some video and show it to all of you. So if you're ever in the area on a weekend that they're having a meet, you can kind of get an idea of what you're in for if you decide to go visit. Now, I'm not going to get there too early. It's one of those Saturdays, but we're going to have a good time today. I'm going to get you some footage and we'll see what they have for sale. It's all just, you know, member tables, so there's not going to be dealers. It's not a big show like York. This is a really small 2-room show with folks just selling some stuff from their collection. So you can find some hidden gems at these shows, which is why I really enjoy coming to them. So we'll be there in just a second and check out what they've got.
I'll work with you on that if you'd like. Excuse me. You're fine. You're fine.
It's only 37.
I'm watching I shouldn't say
Yeah. $20? Yep.
I don't even know if it was completely sliding.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll sell you that. Sure. Yeah. $2.
All right. I was only kidding.
No. You're right up there.
Yeah, I don't know how much they're involved in that. They own huge tracks.
That is easy. You're done. We're good to go. Thank you for joining me. We're doing I figured out the SNL TCA person is here. Let me introduce you. I do check in.
All right, so just left the show. It's a small show, but there's a lot of great stuff there. And I ended up coming away with some road decals from Red Lion Train Depot. So this guy has a sign business and he does custom signs, but he does all sorts of printed roads and then the lines and stuff. So I got some double yellow lines and railroad crossing decals for my road system that I have on my layout, because I already installed that road on the layout. It makes it really hard to do the lines now and do the crossing signs and things like that. In fact, I never had crossing signs on my layout because I couldn't figure out how to get it to look right. So this is perfect because these just stick right on, and they'll pretty much stick on anything but, what does he say, vinyl He said it's on vinyl or nylon. So anyway, it'll be good for me. So great little show. If you're ever in the area, this is hidden right behind the Red Rose Shopping Center, which has like a Home Depot and a Best Buy and things like that. So it's a Penn State farm complex building. But yeah, great little show. Be sure to check it out. Keystone TCA. There's a layout in the one hall, and then the Keystone TCA is their small little operating layout that kind of folds up and has some operating accessories that kids can go in and push the buttons for, which is always really engaging for them. Saw some families coming in when I was leaving with some younger kids, which is always a great sight to see. So I'm off to the next thing today. Since it's Saturday, 2 Saturdays before the holiday. We got a lot to get done today, so I'm off to the next thing. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.